In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a FaceTime audio issue in just 5 minutes. If you've been having problems hearing or being heard during your FaceTime calls, don't worry. I'll guide you through some simple checks and steps to get everything back on track. First, let's make sure your iPhone volume and silent mode settings are correct. It's easy to overlook but can often be the cause of audio issues. Double check that your device isn't on silent mode. You can do this by locating the physical switch on the left side of your iPhone. If it's flipped towards the back, switch it towards the front, then adjust the volume by pressing the volume up button, ensuring it's at an audible level. Next, let's inspect your microphone and speaker. These components are essential for clear communication during FaceTime calls. Open your Voice Memos app and record a short memo to test your microphone. If you can hear your recording clearly upon playback, the microphone is working fine. To test your speaker, play some music through the Music app. If your music plays without issue, your speaker is likely working fine too. No problems here? Great, let's move on. Now, let's check your internet connection. FaceTime relies heavily on a stable network for optimal performance. Ensure you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi or cellular network. If the Wi-Fi signal is weak, consider switching to mobile data and see if that makes a difference. Sometimes toggling between networks can help troubleshoot the issue. Another crucial step is to ensure your device's iOS is up to date. Outdated software can sometimes cause glitches, so it's important to keep it current. Head over to Settings, tap General, then Software Update. If there's a new version available, go ahead and install it. Not only does this bring new features, but it also helps fix any bugs that might be causing the problem. Next, let's try turning FaceTime off and on. It might sound simple, but this can refresh the application settings and resolve glitches. Navigate to Settings, then find the FaceTime option under Apps. Toggle it off, wait a few seconds, then toggle it back on. This little reset can sometimes make a big difference. If FaceTime is still giving you trouble, consider resetting your network settings. This can fix various connectivity issues. Go to Settings, select General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone. From there, choose Reset and then Reset Network Settings. Be aware that this will erase your saved Wi-Fi passwords, so you may need to reconnect to networks afterward. Finally, if all else fails, a simple restart of your device can often clear temporary glitches that might be interfering with FaceTime. Press and hold the power button, slide to power off, and then turn it back on. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you should be able to fix your FaceTime audio issue. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips have been helpful. See you in the next video.